Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do the Walkaround Colombian and Back. Now obviously knowing how to do a Colombian already would be really helpful, but more importantly knowing how to do a Colombian Walkaround would be ideal. I'll put a link to that one in the description below because I'm not going to reteach everything you needed to do to learn that one. So the move on its own looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 takes us back to the beginning. So if you can do a Colombian Walkaround, you know the entrance to this already. So we're going to walk through to that point. We're going to go back just like a first move. We're going to come in, we're going to twist out. Remember, the lady goes back right, guys also go back right, so we can come through and take that right step past our partner. From here we come square, then we go behind as we continue around each other. We come square, we go in front, we come square, we go behind. How many you do is up to you. We're going to do one more set, so we're going to go square, in front, square, and this behind is where we're going to change things. So we're going to go behind, and then we're going to rock back onto the front foot, change direction. So now we're going around with the partner on the left as opposed to on the right. We're going to come square, guys left, ladies left, go behind as we continue around in that reverse direction. Square in front, square behind, and then what's going to happen is we're going to go square in front. Guys continue walking, use the left hand when the lady's just gone in front to lead the return, releasing with the right, and square up to face your partner at the end, and you're done. So let's talk about that with some numbers. We're going to go back 1, in, 2, twist out preparation 3. We're going to come through with the right, and we're just going to walk double time. So we're going to go right through, square, behind, square, in front, square, behind, square, in front, square. Last one, behind. We get rock, step, we're going the other way, and we go behind and in front and behind and in front and behind. Last one, we go in front, lead the return and back. So we're going to take one count for the return, one count for the step back, and as we do our steps going through, we're literally just going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 on every count. So 2 steps on every count. So let's try it. Here we go. 5, a 6, Walkaround Colombian and Back. We go a back, in, twist, in front and behind, and in front and behind, and in front and behind, rock, step, behind, in front and behind, and in front and behind, and in front, return and back. And that is it. That is your Walkaround Colombian and Back. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. I'll pop a music recommendation on the end, something that's nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Cheers. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.